Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money so easily, while others struggle their entire lives? The answer isn't in physical effort. It's in the mind, in the silent vibration you emit every day, even without realizing it. The universe doesn't respond to what you wish for with words. It responds to what you feel, to what you deeply believe. And if you change that, everything changes, including the flow of money. The mind is like a magnet. It doesn't attract what you want. It attracts what you are. If scarcity, fear, and doubt live inside you, the universe simply responds, so be it. But when you change your internal vibration, when you start to feel abundance even before you see it, the game changes. You stop chasing money and start allowing it to find you, because abundance isn't conquered, it's tuned into. Have you ever considered how a single thought can be the seed of a fortune? The difference between someone who prospers and someone who lives in scarcity isn't in the opportunities. It's in the lens through which they see the world. While some say, I can't, others whisper, how can I? It all starts with a thought, but not just any thought. A thought fueled by intention, emotion, and action. That's the trio where the magic happens. The mind creates, the heart moves, the body accomplishes, and the universe responds. Money doesn't respond to desperation. It's not moved by need, but by frequency. If your mind vibrates in scarcity, everything you touch falls apart. If it vibrates in prosperity, opportunities appear where there were once only walls. And here's the secret few dare to accept. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. And what have you been? A mind trapped in fear? Or a magnetic field of possibilities? The answer lies in your energy, and energy is a choice. Choose now. Do you want to keep vibrating in lack? Or do you want to open the channel for abundance to flow like an endless river? Wealth has a code, but it's not in spreadsheets or ready-made formulas. It's hidden, in the unseen. While most look for shortcuts on the outside, the wise go silent and access what's within. Every thought of yours is a password, every emotion a vibration, and when you combine clear intention with true feeling, something opens up. Every thought of yours is a password, every emotion a vibration, and when you combine clear intention with true feeling, something opens up. The code doesn't reveal itself to those who doubt. It surrenders to those who believe. Have you ever thought that money has feelings too? It's energy. And energy recognizes energy. When you vibrate scarcity, it moves away. When you vibrate abundance, it draws closer. But it's not about faking optimism. It's about truly feeling it. Money doesn't come because you need it. It comes when you become a magnet, a field that it respects and desires to reach. The question is, are you vibrating like someone who is already prosperous? Or are you just waiting for a miracle to change your frequency? The answer changes everything. Do you know the secret the rich never tell? They know that the mind creates matter. They know that money doesn't start in the bank account, but in a clear and focused intention. They don't ask for permission to prosper. They assume they are deserving. And the universe responds like an obedient mirror. While many wait for a sign to act, the prosperous act, and the sign appears afterward. It's not arrogance, it's mastery of one's own energy. So, are you going to keep waiting? Or are you going to start projecting? The mind's greatest prison is this: waiting for something on the outside to change, so you can finally allow yourself to change on the inside. But the universe doesn't work that way. It doesn't reward those who wait. It responds to those who align and act. The secret isn't having blind faith, but living as if it were already real. When you move with intention, reality bends, invisible doors open, and money begins to flow from where you least expect, because you stopped begging and started projecting your truth. Have you ever stopped to think that the treasure you so desperately seek is locked away inside you? But here's the paradox. You are also the lock. And the password? It's not in magic formulas or internet gurus. It's in the state you choose to inhabit. Every time you vibrate fear, scarcity, or doubt, you jam the lock. But when you enter the frequency of abundance, when you feel what it would be like to have it, even without having it yet, the vault opens. Not by magic, but because you stopped resisting and started receiving. Stop for a moment. Breathe. Now listen with your heart. If you want money to come to you, you must first become a magnet for it. But it's not about chasing after it. It's about vibrating as if you already have it. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Feel what it would be like to wake up tomorrow and see your bank account full. Feel the relief, the gratitude, the expansion. This isn't imagination, it's neural programming. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what you experience and what you intensely feel. Repeat in silence. I receive. I allow. I open myself to prosper. Now, understand something powerful. Your mind creates, but it's your body that manifests. You think, you feel, but only when you act in alignment with what you feel does reality bend. It's like an invisible conductor leading a symphony. The vibration begins in the unseen realm, but becomes matter when you allow the flow. Do you want wealth? Then start moving like someone who is already prosperous. Talk, walk, and breathe like someone who has already achieved it. The universe responds to coherence, not to need. People say, when I have money, then I'll be happy. But money doesn't change anyone. It only amplifies what's already inside you. If there's scarcity, it disappears. If there's fear, it moves away. But if there's abundance in you, it finds a home. The big shift happens when you understand that money is just a reflection. It's not money that changes your life. It's you who changes, and the money comes as an inevitable consequence. You can work 12 hours a day, sweat, sacrifice, burn yourself out. But if your frequency is one of scarcity, the universe responds with more scarcity. It's not about working harder. It's about vibrating differently. It's about aligning your energy field with the prosperity that already exists. Do you want wealth? Feel rich now. Do you want abundance? Let your energy overflow. It's not magic. It's emotional quantum physics. You attract what you emanate. Do you want to change your financial field of attraction? You don't have to start with grand gestures. All it takes is one conscious act. Being grateful for what you have before you go to sleep, or imagining, in detail, the abundant life you desire. For 2 minutes when you wake up. Is this small? Yes. But that's how the universe works. It doesn't react to force. It reacts to intention. Every small gesture is a code, and this code, repeated every day, opens invisible portals of wealth all around you. Have you ever realized that everything around you began in someone's mind? The car you drive, the phone in your hand, even the money that circulates? It was all conceived before it existed. The human mind is the origin of material reality. And what if you used that to your advantage? And what if, from now on, you decide that the money you desire is already on its way? It doesn't matter how much you have today. What matters is what you mentally activate every day. Your reality is just a reflection of the frequency you're emitting. And the echoing question is, what reality are you programming right now? Your reality is a mirror. It reflects with precision the vibration you emit, consciously or not. Recurring thoughts, cultivated emotions, automatic gestures. All of this builds the frequency that connects you to experiences. You attract what is compatible with who you are, not with what you wish to have. That's why desiring prosperity while fearing lack only creates more lack. The question that echoes now is simple, yet profound. What reality are you programming in this very moment? You can leave this video and go back to the same routine, or you can stop for a moment, feel the call, and answer it. Because true transformation doesn't begin with grand revolutions. It's born from a silent choice. The decision to become someone who vibrates at the frequency of abundance. Remember, money isn't the destination. It's the reflection of the path you choose to walk. And that path begins now. If you felt something different in this video, if a part of it touched your heart, then you've already begun to change. Thank you for being here, for dedicating these minutes to your expansion. This journey is just the beginning, and it can be incredible if you allow it. If you want to continue diving into the power of the mind, the awakening of consciousness, and the creation of a prosperous life, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Here, every new piece of content is a doorway to a new version of you. See you on the next frequency.